The VWCC 2009-2015 key fob battery replacement is a common DIY task. First, gently pry open the key fob case using a plastic pry tool or a small screwdriver. Start at the key ring end to avoid damage to the plastic clips. Inside, you'll find a CR2032 battery held in place by a spring clip. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure proper alignment before snapping the case back together. Avoid using excessive force when closing the case. Test the remote functions to confirm the new battery is working. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, resynchronize by standing near your VWCC and holding the lock and unlock buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle pressure with a plastic pry tool and consider using WD-40 to loosen the hinge. For persistent issues such as corroded contacts or water damage to the internal circuit board, consult a professional mechanic.